Hello! So, as you can tell, I'm barefaced, and I have terrible lighting, and I'm in my kitchen. So you know what that means. We're cooking again. This is my second time recording the intro, because I don't know if I'm in frame or not, because I'm recording with the back of my phone, because I heard that the quality is better. So, let's see if that works. But you know the audio quality do smack, because I got this tiny microphone, $10 on Amazon. So today, what we're making is cloud bread, which I've seen a lot of on Instagram. I don't know if others have seen it on Instagram, but I've been seeing it a lot. Maybe it's just because I watch a lot of cooking videos on Instagram. Maybe that's it. But basically what we're going to do is that we're going to make this, basically it's like a meringue, but it's bread, because there's, I don't know, that's what the internet told me. So it's only 3 ingredients. All you need are 3 egg whites, 30 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of cornstarch. Now you're probably wondering, Bree, you live in America, why are you using the metric system? Well, viewer of this video, it's easier in my opinion, and also because I felt like 2.5 tablespoons of sugar wasn't enough, and for some reason 30 grams seems better of a measurement. So yeah, that's why we're using the metric system. If you have a problem with it, just Google some conversions or buy a scale. So yeah, let's get into it. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna separate your egg whites from your egg yolks, and then you're gonna whisk it a little bit until you get like a little soft foamy type of consistency. I'm gonna add lemon extract and food coloring to mine, so that way it looks pretty. So then you're gonna whip that up into stiff peaks, more or less, and then you're gonna slowly put in your sugar and then your cornstarch, and you whip that all together. And then once it's like nice form, take a spatula and you're gonna put it in your parchment paper and form it into like a little bun type shape. And then you put it in your oven. I'm gonna put mine in the toaster oven because I don't want to use the big oven for one thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, update on this, it's bigger than I expected it would be. But you know what? I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be fine. I have this. This came out of my oven. It looks insane. It is huge. I don't know what it's gonna look like on the inside. I'm very excited to try it though. I don't even know if I'm in frame, but honestly, I don't even care because this looks so dope. Yeah, I'm gonna break it open because it's like a thing that everyone does. So yeah, let's do that. Whoa. I didn't even see it, but whoa, that looks cool as frick. Okay, cool. So this is dope, but let's see how it tastes, because it may look pretty, but it probably tastes bad. What the hell? That's a weird flavor. It's not terrible. Like, adding lemon extract made it better. However, if you are going to make this, which I don't know why you would, don't. It's not good. It tastes like someone just, like, whispered lemon in my ear. Like, I was just eating styrofoam, and then someone was like, lemon. Is it worth it? Not really. Was it fun? Yeah. Do I suggest you make it? No. Don't. No. It doesn't taste like anything. It's like a little bit sweet, but it really just tastes like nothing. Oh well. At least we tried. Hope you enjoyed the video.